Happy anniversary, BYC. I'd like to greet everyone. Congratulations also for celebrating a milestone once again. And BYC has made a lot of mark in the social media community. And I hope that you continue to become responsible content creators. So continue to inspire and continue to do what is right. Always be mindful of what you post on social media and be a good influence to your followers. So once again, congratulations, and especially to Margrette, who is one of the founders of BYC. So God bless everyone and happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, BYC. And as a member, we'd also like to thank our sponsors in the past, present, and in the future that would connect with us. And yeah, I'm MJ of DMJ Vlogs and dmnmj.com. So keep creating, guys, and have fun.
Alright guys, magbuntag sa tanan. Nakalimot ko guys, pagmata na ko birthday madiron sa kanang BYC. So happy anniversary Bisaya YouTubers Club. Happy anniversary BYC. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi Bisaya YouTubers Club, happy anniversary. This is James from Support Locals, and yeah, this is all the way from Manila. I'm so happy that I've been part of your crew and that you've been part of my journey, and I've been part of yours as well. To more years to come, to more brands to partner with, and to more contents to be made. Love you.
Happy anniversary BYC. My proud member here, Kanghel.
Happy anniversary BYC. I'm so thankful nga nabilong ko ani nga community nga na being part of this amazing community, Bisaya content creator. Kay because of this, I've met a lot of people. I learned from them and become friends, and there's a lot of opportunity. Thank you so much, most especially the founder of BYC, Margrette Chavez. Thank you so much for accepting me as a member of Bisaya YouTubers Club. Now it's Bisaya Content Creators. I hope to see you soon, all of BYC members. I miss you all, and hope we can meet sometimes, like a reunion. Thank you so much, and all of the members of BYC, thank you so much. And once again, happy anniversary. Padayon Bisaya, Padayon BYC.
Hi everyone, this is March Diaries, and I would like to greet happy anniversary to BYC. So yay, it's been 6 years since BYC was founded by Miss Margrette. So I'm so lucky and so proud to be a member of BYC since 2019. So dira jud ko gasugod sa BYC, guys, like from scratch to this kind of number that I have right now. And I'm really thankful for all of the people who supported me all the way, though right now I'm really not that active because I'm busy with my small business. Still, thank you so much, Miss Maan, for the support, everything. And to my co-BYC members, thank you so much for your support. I really do hope you will still support me all the way. Please. But anyways, thank you so much everyone, and happy anniversary BYC.
Hello there, Margaret, and all the other BYC members. Happy anniversary sa BYC, and I hope everyone's doing okay, and continue doing what you love doing, like videos and pictures and mga kabuang ninyo. I really enjoy watching all your videos also. Alright, take care everyone. Dili na nato taxon kay more talk, more mistakes. Bye.
Hi! I would like to greet a happy 6 years anniversary BYC. So grabe jud ang pagkaliko no kay unom na jud siya katuig. And I'm so happy na part ka ani nga group, not just a group, as a family na ta diri. So grabe ang pagkaliko unom na jud katuig, and I wish nga padayon na kita sa atong mga goal, each goal nato, and more blessings na itong tanan, and also more blessings diri sa atong group diri sa BYC. So more anniversaries to come, so thank you and congratulations to all and happy anniversary. Bye.
Hello. Alright, happy anniversary mga ka-BYC! I would like to thanks Brad or Ma'am Margrette. Tungod kay dili ko mahimong vlogger kung dili tungod sa iyahang pag-mentor nako. Munang daghan kay salamat! And once again, to all the BYC members out there, happy anniversary to us, ka! Happy anniversary to all! Stay safe always. God bless.
Yay! So gusto na mo great. Oh,
Happy 6 years, BYC!
yay! Proud
Member!
here. So, ako na si Injizerye ang nagsasabing thank you kanan yung tanan. Sa tungod sa BYC, nakaton kong promote ng mga business. So, dako kay katabang ang BYC sa kong pag-vlog. So, I love you so much. I love you all. I love you sa mga nagkailan na po. Kung talagang pag-upakailan. BYC, number 1!
Happy anniversary, BYC!
More powers and more vlogs to come. Thank you.
What's up guys? Happy 60th year anniversary. Kabongga ba? Nag 60 years na ta mga Bisaya YouTubers Club. So unsa pa inyo gipaabot, magpadayon gihapon ta sa pagbuhat og mga Bisaya nga content ha. Ayaw og undang, go with the flow and padayon sa kinabuhi. Happy 60th year anniversary coming from Madrid, España together with my afam. Hola, me pareha. Buang kasi gusto rin naman sa among grupo, sa among club, Bisaya YouTubers Club. You're also member there naman.
Member mo ko na, mo ko hilabot ana.
Apil ka na tayo.
Invite ni Maan.
Invite lagi ka, bubuang magkay. Kasi na-greet na ba? Greetings from HB Yarn. Yes.
Greetings from HB Yarn. Happy anniversary.
Plus months kay awaon.
Mapila sa recording nga, lain kita naon.
Sagdi ilang, buang-buang ka man kuan mong eyeglass. Kay dili kay ang reflection. Okay, again.
Happy anniversary, Bisaya YouTubers Club. Sakto ba?
Yes.
Lagi no? It's been a while. I've seen you guys grow from a very few members. Yasi ka nang si Shikoy Vibes kay napil na siya dito niya up until now. Although we are far away, we're very like miles away, no?
But we're still watching
it's
at
a
you.
group, and then we're proud to be part. I mean, he was part of, and he is still part of the group.
Yes.
No, and then hopefully we can spend Christmas there. But for now, happy anniversary, and unta magganang kita tagbalik ka nang mga content.
Yes.
Mag-collab.
Na this ang mga hablaro ni. Okay.
Maka-proud sad biya mga kanang content creators nga kana gyud mga taga Cebu gid ba kay ngano lumalaban sad baya ang mga taga Mindanao ug uban parts sa Mindanao ug sa Visayas.
Sa ato ang grupo kay naara ba gid ng Excel, Excel.
Yes. So kana magpadayon lang gid no ug bahalag kanang ang mga contents kay kana bitawng dapat lang gid mapag kanang kuhaan jud og kanang lesson sa kinabuhi, sa inadlaw-adlaw ug ang importante maka-inspire og other people's.
But anyway, happy 60th year anniversary Bisaya YouTubers Club. See you soon. Ang pagbabalik ng Shikoy Vibes with Triple OOO and HB Yarn! Sorry, Mom. Maigo imong mata. I'm so sorry, baby. Kiss.
Pag inono
So, kuha rin. Mga to siya, guys. Sorry kay na late yun siya maan, ha? Sa happy anniversary sa BYC YouTubers Club, okay? BYC, Bisaya YouTubers Club.
Happy 6th anniversary, BYC! And
Happy
6th anniversary. Happy 6th anniversary BYC. And through all those years, sukat sa unang hantod karon ni grow gud ang BYC og hinahinay na ilan sa mga businesses. That's good thing also. Ato members ni grow na pod. So I'm very happy, and I would like to also mention all of sponsors from the start up until now. There are actually many or a lot of you guys, our sponsors and our beloved clients na siguro daghan to mention lang yun, and you know who you are, guys. Very big thanks, and we've grown a lot, and there are a lot of things that is going on positively, and again happy 6th anniversary BYC, and God bless and more power, and of course our beloved founder Maan Lavis, thank you for being there throughout those years up until now nagyapon. So magpadayon tang magpalig-on as BYC members. So go, and advance Merry Christmas and also Happy New Year. Thank you so much.
Hello, ka-BYC! Happy anniversary from Happy Days!
Hello, what's up? This is Chef Sodjo. So, great day kong happy 6th anniversary sa BYC. Hey, shit!
Hello guys, this is Miss Pinay Pai. So, happy anniversary sa BYC. More blessings and
Happy 6th anniversary Bisaya YouTubers Club or BYC Content Creators Club. Thank you so much for all the things that you've done to the team, mga content creators nato, and to all our sponsors. Thank you so much for trusting your business promotions with us. We hope to have more sponsors in the future, and we hope to gain more content creators in our team. So thank you so much once again for everyone who supported BYC all throughout the years. Happy 6th anniversary once again, BYC. Do God bless and take care, everyone.
Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Once again, happy 6th anniversary BYC.
BYC.
Bisaya YouTubers Club.
BYC.
That's it.
This is Miss Incha.
Tuta.